I'm going to be showing you how to fix new account blocked error 40341 in Tinder. So the first thing you need to do is understand the reason for the block. Tinder blocks accounts when they violate the community guidelines or terms of use. The error suggests a violation of terms or guidelines potentially related to a new account setup. So what you need to do is go to Tinder Appeal Center. Just go to your browser and informational and just search for Tinder Appeal Center, and right there at the top you can find it right here. Just go ahead and tap on one of them. Once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find this option that says Appeal Center. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load, and just log in. So after you've logged in, you can successfully submit an appeal. So if the appeal fails, you can try creating a new Tinder account using a new phone number and an email address. Make sure you don't violate any community guidelines. So in this way, you can successfully fix new account blocked error 40341 in Tinder. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.